AirDrop is a feature that makes sharing content with your iPad easier. With one click of a button, you can easily send pictures, videos, websites, locations, and documents to other iPads, iPhones, or MacBook computers. First, go to Settings and click Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is on and that the devices you want to use are close, as AirDrop uses a Bluetooth connection and Wi-Fi to send content. In this case, I want to share a picture from my iPad with my iPhone. I'm going to go to Photos and select one. Tap the screen and you should see an arrow pointing away from a square. This is the Share button. Click that and select AirDrop. Nearby devices will pop up. I'm going to send this to my iPhone by tapping on it. You will know it worked if Sent appears in blue text below the device. Press Done and then click the X in the top right corner to return to the photo. And that's how you AirDrop from your iPad.